Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and this is the beginning of my series on Zoom video conferencing. So today I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting. So let's jump right in. So if you want to schedule a Zoom call, what you do is once you open your app, so I'll just show you the process of opening it. So I have the desktop app. There's also a web app. So you can go to like zoom.com and then log in. And then once you log in, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to see your dashboard and you have different options here. If you want to schedule, you click the schedule button. And right here it has schedule a meeting. You can put the topic of the meeting. So like, let's pretend you're a software engineer. You might have a stand-up meeting where you meet and talk with your agile team for a few minutes, or just like a meeting minutes, or like something where you like record data and give a status report. Then you can set a date. You can set what time. So if it's like in the morning, you can say, okay, maybe I want this tomorrow morning and I want it to be at like 8 a.m. Now, so if you have the Zoom basic plan, you have a 40-minute time limit with 3 or more participants. But under that, you should be good to go. If you upgrade as an enterprise or like a small startup or group, it's probably worth it if you have a lot of clients or people that you're going to be interacting with on Zoom. You can set the dates. You can make this a recurring meeting, and you can set it to repeat on certain days. And what's really cool is if you have coworkers that you want to invite to that meeting regularly, like your manager or a supervisor or just, people on your team, you can include them on a calendar invite when you send it, and then it will show up in their Outlook calendar or Google Calendar, whatever they use. Then they'll be notified and they'll be able to jump right on, which is pretty cool. You can generate a meeting ID, or you can have your own personal ID that is assigned to you. Then you can have a password or no password. A lot of Zoom meetings, it's better if you just don't have the password, unless it's like a private meeting, then that would be a good idea. You can say if you want video on for the host or the participants. You can also have that as off. You can just do like an audio call on there. You can say what kind of audio you want for the call, so whether it's telephone or computer audio or both. If you have people coming from different areas, maybe somebody has to call in using their phone, somebody else can use their computer. You can also edit where it's coming from and add different countries. You can set your calendar. You can use iCalendar, Google Calendar, or other calendars. In the advanced options, you can enable join before host, which means people can join before the person who created the meeting. This way, if somebody has to grab coffee or go to the restroom, you can still join the meeting and be ready to go without them being there. You can also mute participants on entry, and you can record the meeting automatically on the computer, which is pretty awesome, because then you can archive it and then you can go back for reference if you need to take notes or figure out what you were talking about, especially if it's something technical or very specific and you want to remember what was going on. Then you would click schedule, and now they're scheduled, which is pretty cool. So it has the topic, has a recurring time. My meeting has it meeting anytime. And if I wanted to copy the invitation, I could copy it here and I could paste it. And if I show you what that looks like, I can open text edit. And if I just paste it, this is what it will look like, and I can send this in a DM, or I can put this in an email, or it can be scheduled in an email automatically if you do it a different way. But this is going to be your Zoom link with your meeting ID. Notice that the meeting ID matches what's at the end of the URL here. Then you can open it, and it will allow you to add to your calendar, which is pretty cool. So you can add it to whatever calendar you want. It really depends on the calendar apps that you use and that are available within the accounts that you're logged into. If you want me to make a video about that on integrating with calendars, say yes in the comments below. I'd love to do it. This is the beginning of a great start for my Zoom series. I really hope you will learn a lot and how to use Zoom in times like the coronavirus, or any time that you have a meeting and you need video conferencing. Zoom is a wonderful solution. It's one of the best, if not the best, and I'm sure it will fit your needs. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.